Hello everyone. Are you wondering what snack means? Let's explore. Snack is a slang term used to describe someone who is very attractive, often in a way that makes them look appealing enough to metaphorically eat. It's a playful and complimentary way to acknowledge someone's good looks, likening them to a tasty treat. The term is commonly used on social media and in casual conversations to express admiration for someone's physical appearance. Calling someone a snack highlights their allure, suggesting that they are desirable and enticing. In essence, snack is a lighthearted, flirtatious way to compliment someone on their attractiveness, emphasizing their visual appeal in a fun, modern way. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.